Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO A77 as a smartphone. Guys, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. So you can see, okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Just slide down to power off like this. So now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power key together like this for a few seconds. Just press and hold it, the volume down and power key together like this, and now release. So you can see, now select the language, use volume key to move up and down, or power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature. So guys, here you can see it will send you in recovery. You can see wipe data, reboot, or power off. Okay, now tap on wipe data. So you can see format data. Now tap on format data. So guys, you can see, please enter the verification code 3031. Enter it, 3031. So you can see all user data will be reset. Okay, now finally tap on format. So here you can see wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations. So guys, here you can see data formatted. Here you can see, now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device, and when it asks for password, tap on skip and use previously logged in Google account to unlock your phone. So guys, this is a method to hard reset OPPO A77 as a smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest updates.